In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize Power BI stacked bar chart. First, launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment to load your environment. Next, open your existing report file so you're working with a model that already has the data you need. If your file is already open, great. Make sure you're on a report page with enough space for a new visual. Look to the right side of the screen for the Visualizations pane. This is where you choose the type of chart and manage its settings. If you don't immediately see it, it may be collapsed. Hover or click to expand the pane so all icons are visible. Now select the stacked bar chart icon. It looks like horizontal bars stacked on top of each other within each category. Power BI drops an empty visual onto the canvas. You can click and drag the corners to resize it and position it where it fits best in your layout. Before adding fields, take a quick look at your available columns in the fields area so you know which category, subcategory, and value you want to show. A stacked bar works best when you have one main category on the vertical axis, a measure to quantify each bar, and an optional series that divides each bar into colored segments. Drag your main category into axis. This could be something like region, department, or month. Drag your numeric measure into values, such as sales, quantity, or hours. If you want each bar split into parts, drag a second categorical field into legend, like product type or status. Power BI aggregates the numbers automatically. If you need a different aggregation, click the field in values and choose sum, average, count, or another option. With the structure in place, refine the look. Open the Format pane for this visual and adjust data colors to make segments distinct and readable. Turn on data labels if you want values visible on the bars, and set display units and decimal places so the numbers are easy to scan. Add a clear title, enable the legend, and tweak the X and Y axes, such as turning on word wrap or adjusting font size, so labels don't get truncated. If bars appear in an odd order, use the sort options on the visuals header to sort by your measure or by the axis field. Finally, check number formatting to keep units consistent across the report. If something doesn't look right, confirm your values field is numeric and summarized correctly, and make sure you've dropped each field into the intended bucket. That's it. Your stacked bar chart is created and customized, ready to share insights at a glance.